Okay, so this is 1 week of running with my little nickel bird cage inside the chamber, and you can see down there it is absolutely clean. It's clean to touch. You don't get nothing on your hands, nothing whatsoever. Look, I can't even get dirty did I get a dirty finger? No. Can you see in there? It is clean. Really, really clean. So it seems. Even though it's gone a bit out of shape, because it's got bloody oil, this is doing something. So that's 7 days. 2 gallons worth. I don't know what this is. It almost looks like rust. Some form of, I don't know. I really don't know what it is. I don't know why the finer ones in the middle have turned green and the thick 0.2 mil have gone like that. That's really odd. Okay, we can go back in for now. It seems to be doing its job. There is absolutely nothing up the exhaust pipe. So these are the results I was hoping for before running it on whatever oil I choose to warm up and put in there and go down the Chinese restaurant and get all their vegetable oil, drain all the prawns out of it and pump it through and see what happens.